I have such a treat for you today. Look at this. We have our own Ashley Rose Young Lisenby. This is our princess, and we have 3 generations of us today. We have our little Andolyn Snow Lisenby, and we're going to be making a shake today for you and then show you how to alter that shake for kids. And I'm really happy to introduce my family to you today and also say, hey, we've been to Italy lately, and PH Miracle is going great guns in Italy. It's so exciting to see the MDs, the medical professionals there, loving this work, loving this diet, very interested in implementing this into the hospitals and their practices there. So that's why Ashley and I have our Florence aprons on, and I have my little cherubs here because I'm a grandma, and the Grandma's Club is the best club in the world. So today we're going to show you how Andolyn and Ashley make shakes at home in their house.
Hey,
Hi Andolyn, do you like shakes?
say hi.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Do you like shakes?
So I think adapting this type of raw food eating lifestyle with a very young family, I've got 3 kids, 10, 4, and 2, can be a challenge. And I think we as young mothers need it to be convenient and fast and quick because we don't have a lot of... You want to lay down? Okay. Here, go to Grandma.
You want to help us make a shake?
Because we don't have a lot of extra minutes in our day. And I prefer to play and interact with my kids as much as I can and not be stuck in the kitchen as long. But I do feel it is important to feed our kids the best way that we can. So this is what we do in our house. We start making the shake. So we do an English cucumber. Whoops,
Here, let me hold those for you.
Thank you.
Come here, Andolyn, let's cook.
That's how it is at my house every day.
That's how it is with kids.
This is reality. And then you do a big handful of spinach.
Oh!
Do you want to come help?
Come and help. Okay, help. You want to put the limes in?
Here.
Look, I got limes.
Want to put this in? No. So you put your lime in. Here, sit right here. Okay, you hold that. Will you hold this for me? You hold it safe. Okay.
Good girl.
Good job.
Good girl.
Okay. Oh, avocado.
Avocado.
Do you like avocados, huh? Mommy. We like avocados, so we do 1 avocado. Give our kids those good proteins and fats that they need to run on, especially if you can get it in them before they leave for school, which I don't do all the time because it's hard for me to wake up as early as my son goes to school. But what I do is make the kids all a shake, and whether they get it first thing in the morning or as an after-school snack, I know that they've at least gotten 1 good shake in a day. So, you want to do it?
You want to do it? Okay, you can help.
So we've got avocado, we've got limes. Do we have ice? Oh, here's our ice.
Yes, we've got ice, and here's your spinach.
I think we got spinach.
Do you already put your spinach in?
Yep.
Okay.
And
then I was just going to tell the folks at home, sometimes I add coconut cream concentrate or shredded coconut to the shake. Sometimes I make the limey love shake. Sometimes I make the avocado shake. But we're just going to give you the base shake today that you can make for adults. And then we'll mix it up. And then we'll alter it for kids. Give you some ideas for kids. Okay, so Andolyn's ready to help us again.
Hey, just a minute. We're going to squeeze this in. Can you help me squeeze? Squeeze. I do like to put grapefruit in for the kids because it does give them that, not getting your eye. It does give them that, I don't know, they love grapefruit. So I like to just squeeze a grapefruit in. Sometimes I'll peel it so you get the rind because there's good properties in the rind, but sometimes it gives it kind of a bitter taste.
Sweetens it a little bit too.
Well, the rind gives it a bitter taste that sometimes the kids don't like. So
you just keep it the juice.
Yeah, I keep it.
Okay,
the juice.
she's ready to fly. Sometimes we put super soy sprouts in the shake. We can put hemp protein. We can put our greens in the shake. There's many different variations on the shake. So if you want to pump up the protein, you can use either one of the soy sprouts or the hemp protein. And Ashley, are you ready to rock and roll on the shake?
Yes.
Okay.
For kids, I do like to put in almond milk, and I put quite a bit.
Almond milk, okay.
So, but we're going to go ahead and blend this.
I've got almond milk.
Do you have almond milk?
Yeah, I've got it.
I do put almond milk in it. Just makes it a little more creamy for the kids. So, there you go.
Okay, I've got some almond breeze today.
Okay, move this out. Let her put some in.
Ooh,
So
that'll
I
be
fill
nice.
it to just like about, I don't know, just about to about there.
Okay.
That's good.
Kind of guesstimate. Okay.
Yeah. So we put some in. Okay, we're gonna turn it on. It's gonna be noisy.
Here
okay?
goes.
Okay.
Here goes. Do you want me to
Okay,
hold
here we
you?
go. She's okay. Hey, you wanna plunge it?
Plunge it.
Nice. Wanna plunge it? Do it.
Yay! Good job. Good job. Good. Ready.
Okay. So
Okay.
this is what goes down at our house. So I pour out the good green one, the raw green one, for me and my husband in the morning. Okay. Oh, you want to taste it?
She wants to taste it already. That's how much she loves it.
So usually she actually licks the little,
Look at her. She
the little
wants it.
part, but I'm gonna just let her lick it off
There's
the
no
spoon.
sugar in it.
You want to lick it right there? Okay.
Oh!
There you go.
Has to be from the spout.
Yeah, at our house.
But at least she likes the green shake, right?
Yes. Anything to make my kids
Yes,
like the
you
green
want
shake.
some more. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Okay, so then you have about this much left over, and I've got 3 kids, and so I put it back here. I add just a little extra spinach since I kind of am depleted a little bit. Oh, you do it. Okay.
oh, you do it. You
Thank
help
you.
us. Yay,
Okay.
Andalyn!
And a little more ice.
And here's some
And then,
coconut sugar.
we take either coconut sugar to sweeten it, and this doesn't affect your pancreas.
Put some
pancreatic.
limes in.
Oh,
Thank you.
lime. Okay.
Lime's good.
Doesn't affect your pancreatic levels as much, so it's a good sweetener for kids. Or I like to use liquid stevia drops, and they have all these different flavors. This is sweet leaf liquid stevia. They've got chocolate, they've got berry, they've got orange, creamsicle, hazelnut,
Yum.
all chocolate raspberry, all different flavors. So you can actually make the shake taste like whatever you want for the kids. You want chocolate in it? Okay.
Oh, she wants some liquid stevia
So-
chocolate in her shake.
Okay, not in your mouth. Put it in
Oh.
your shake. You won't like it. It's really strong. There you go. Squeeze.
Squeeze. Andalyn's helping us today.
Good job.
This is
Good
great.
job. You did a good job.
Yay.
And then I also will
Oops,
put
sorry.
in some good. These are actually come in a frozen bag that I get from Costco, and they're organic. Just a mixture of frozen berries. It's got blackberries.
She wants to
raspberries.
help.
There you
Oh,
go.
boy. So you put a little bit of fruit berries in your kids' shakes once in a while, and that helps sweeten them up a little bit if your kids are transitioning.
And they also don't always like the color green.
Yeah.
They associate green with maybe it not being as yummy or sweet.
Oh, okay.
And so the red color actually helps my 4-year-old think that it's like a strawberry shake or something.
A
And
strawberry
she
smoothie
will-
or something,
Just
yeah.
by the look of it, the color, she likes it better.
Yeah,
So I
that
think
makes
with
sense.
kids, you got to be tricky sometimes.
She
Okay,
can't wait.
She's you
This is
crazy
so great.
one. Okay, do you have like a little spoon
Yeah.
for some of this in?
Yes. Here you go.
Then another thing I like to put in for my kids in the morning is okay, you do
I
it.
do it.
Okay, one-
Independence.
One more.
Oh, boy. Wouldn't Popeye be proud of you?
More. Okay, that's
Okay,
probably
that's
enough.
enough.
You probably only need like 1 tablespoon, maybe 2. Not
Okay.
not too much for your kids, especially if you put in liquid stevia. So another thing that I like to put in for my kids, just to sustain them a little bit longer, is just another form of good. Oh, kiss it.
Oh, did you get it out?
Did you get it, Bonk?
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Okay, we're ready to fly. Are you going to help us? Here you
Is
go.
some sort of a good healthy protein, like a hemp seed that comes from the PH Miracle Center, or sometimes I'll put in their super soy sprouts powder, or a really good purple rice powder. Actually has high amounts of all your aminos, which is very important for kids' brain functioning. So I like to put that in sometimes too.
Okay,
Okay, here we go.
Andalyn
You
can
ready?
hardly wait.
Okay, you
Here we go.
Flip a switch. Flip it.
Flip it.
Flip it.
Turn it on.
Flip it. Here you go.
Yay, good job. That's our little helper today.
Hey, you wanna flip it? Flip it.
Good job. Yay. those really pretty colors.
Okay.
Nice. Oh, look how excited she is.
Taste. Take a taste.
Yummy.
Is it yummy? Yeah. Okay.
You're so cute.
Do you want some? Where should we put this? I don't want to get anything dirty.
Yeah, just put that.
Okay. So then I have my leftover shake from the shake we made for me and my husband for my kids, and I'll give them, you know, just like a half of amount that we would have as an adult.
Come here. You want to try the shake? Come here. Okay, go to mommy and she'll have you try
Sometimes
it.
it's fun to use this coconut, this little unsweetened organic coconut. You can sprinkle it on top like snow. I think anything you can use with kids that causes like color or imagery or fun, especially when they're learning about, you know, good raw healthy foods or colors. It just makes it a lot more fun for kids. So I don't have a straw. Are you okay with that?
A straw.
A straw.
You better find a straw.
Yeah, we use lots of different colored straws. They just anything to help your kids
It's a straw.
understand how to eat a little healthier, I think is worth it.
Okay, now let's watch
There you go. Okay.
an alkaline baby do her thing.
Okay. Okay.
Have
You
a
want it?
taste
Take
and
a
tell us
taste.
if you like it.
Ooh,
Do
I'll
you like
hold
it?
They won't really balance their. Okay, you
You
hold it.
hold it.
There
Let's
you
see.
go.
Mm.
You like it?
Is it nice?
Okay, good.
Yay,
There's some
Angela!
great ideas for a kid's healthy shake.
Yeah. Yep, so that's it from the PH Miracle Center to you. And today's recipe is the shake for kids. Enjoy.